Chomorigereria mwananchi wa Masirita John KAKUI kurwase county ya Machakos niko abekire emeroberio yogocha kwanika gusimika EMETE yogochana OROCHE rwa ATHI Rivers county ya Machakos mwenjere mu kurese getogo cha serikali kwanika buna nkobekire emeroberio yokwanika buna OROCHE oru ndorigo chigosiria ebosendo ndorigo chigosiria macha kwanika koroko ngoko chigochirore gokonya abananchi kurwase ensemeyo.
We started planting trees here in KMC Primary School in the River Township, Machakos County, in the year 2023. And we started because in this school, because as everybody knows, Machakos County is categorized as an arid and semi-arid land, ASAL. So we started here in 2023. Up to now, we have changed. In fact, we have transformed this school into a forest. As can be seen behind me, we started planting with these trees, and now the whole school is a mini forest. In fact, this is Kisaka Forest.
We started this partnership with Kisaka Foundation Kenya because we felt that we needed to rehabilitate the school environment and make it conducive for our learners. Because before the school land, as you by then was bare. It was bare, it was very dusty, it was very windy. And Kisaka Foundation came to our rescue because they really assisted us in acquiring as many seedlings as we have planted. We took over the project. We started growing the trees and watering them, and as you can see, the trees are doing well. This project did not come without challenges because Machakos area and Machakos region is known to be a dry area. It is classified as a semi-arid area whereby the rain is not so much reliable. Sources of water are not also very reliable. So we had to chip in with my learners in the environment club to take water from home, bring to school and water the trees.
We have covered Machakos County in many institutions, more than 18. We have covered also police station and hospitals.
Any county. And if this river, this water reaches that dam, if it's complete and the water reaches the dam as it is in its present state, it will spell doom for the target consumers.